Hello, my name is Ashley. Today we're gonna try to work with beautiful persimmons. I picked them up from my trees, and if you have a persimmon tree, go pick them up so we can work together. What we're gonna do is we're gonna preserve this different way so we can use this on holidays, Christmas, New Year table. And then if there's plenty, you can enjoy whole months or whole year or whenever you have the guests. So now I want to say that you pick them up hard. You cannot eat them while it's hard, because if you bite, it's gonna dry your tongue. So what we have to do is we pick them hard, and when we prepare it, we preserve it. The sugar will be concentrated, and when you eat them, you think you're eating honey. This is the most delicious fruit will be while it's dry, without using anything except itself. All right. We're gonna start. All right, now what we have to do is we have to wash our persimmons, and then we're gonna peel them. I already did some over here, but I want to show you that when you peel the persimmon, make sure you peel it with the peeler, because the knife, it takes so much out of the fruit. So the persimmon, peel it with the peeler, like I said, and then peel it good, cut the heads off. Make sure that you take all the skin all around. Now, so is the bottom. Make sure it's nice and clean, and then you can take the scooper and scoop the skin, the head, and it just comes off very, very easy. Just put the scoop and go circle, and make sure that the skin is gone. So now, like I said, I did over here. We're gonna put this away. There you go. It's a little messy here. So what we have to do is we're gonna take the persimmon. You're gonna cut it about like 1 centimeter, which is 1/4 inch, I guess, which is 1 centimeter. It's a thickness of your finger. It depends how big and how small is your persimmon. You can have maybe 2 cuts or 3 cuts or maybe 5 cuts, but each pieces, make sure you make a centimeter, because we're gonna put in dehydrator. We don't want it to be too thin, because if it's too thin, it will be like a paper. You want a little bit nice, chunky to have a bite, and it will be very, very delicious. Now, I cut it already over here, and I prepared. It looks so beautiful. What we have to do is we're gonna take a lemon, 1 lemon, and we're gonna squeeze it on a persimmon. This is good for the color. At the same time, I'm gonna make it sweet and spices persimmon in dehydrator. So, and then I have Himalayan salt, which I would like to use this, and we're gonna put a little bit salt and a little bit nice red chili pepper, flaky ones. Don't put the ones that it's very fine, because it will be too spicy for you unless you like it. And then mix them together and leave it just for like a few minutes until you get your dehydrator and you prepare them. So just let it absorb the liquid. Now you can do this even with orange, but the lemon, it will give good, delicious spice. There you go. We're gonna leave this for a few minutes. By the time we clean over here, we put away, which I already prepared my dehydrator. Now we have our dehydrator, and it stayed about 3 to 5 minutes. Now we're gonna put this in dehydrator, and then we're gonna see how delicious it will be. Let me bring a little bit closer and put them next to each other. and then we're gonna see how delicious it's gonna be our persimmon. Make sure that you peel it, because when you don't peel, if we keep the skin on, it's gonna be kind of dry, and when you eat it will be okay, but it won't be that much pleasant. And the skin, it might give you, I don't know what to say, constipation. So make sure that it will be very, very tender. So this is the way you do. And we're gonna see, I'm not sure exactly how many minutes it will take, how many hours. It might take maybe 16 to 15. And then we're gonna see, I will let you know how long it takes. And it's gonna be delicious fruit. You will be enjoying this whole year around. We're gonna put this at the New Year table, Thanksgiving table. Always Armenians, they have this New Year Christmas table, and they will enjoy the fruit just like this. Now this is, like I said, you cannot eat, I'm gonna fill more here. Like I said, you cannot eat this fruit while it's hard. You can try to taste a little bite, and you will see that your tongue, it's gonna be dry, and it's not gonna be pleasant. So make sure that the hard ones you pick it, you'll do it, the soft ones already gets tender and juicy, and you can enjoy it that way. Or especially when it's ripe on a tree. Otherwise you can just pick it and put at the table one corner, and it will ripe that way. But always on a tree, it will give very delicious sweet. So now we're gonna wait, and we're gonna see how long it takes, and we'll be back. All right, now I wanna tell you, the persimmon in the dehydrator, it took 10 hours exactly, and then I opened the cover so the heat will go out, and this is the result. You'll see they are so beautiful. It's a beautiful snack. It's luscious. It's very delicious. You can give this to your children to school when they go, and they will have fun with it. They are not gonna get enough from eating. So we cut them 1 centimeter, which is like a 1/4 inch, and you see how thin it became. And it is very, very tasty. So when you have a persimmon tree, don't let them go for waste. Just cut them, put in the dehydrator if you have a lot. But I have another video that I was hanging under the sun in the air for about 2 weeks. It depends the heat. So you will go and check it. That one, it's even juicier, I can say. When you eat, it's more sugary because it's all covered. This is tasty too, but it's just a snack. When you have a guest, you can offer, or you can give, like I said, to your children to school. Well, I hope you will like it. Hope you try it if you have it, and you will enjoy it. Well, if you like this channel, please like and subscribe, and I will thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.